First open Start and type View Network Connection. Right-click Wi-Fi and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Run. Press OK and it will fix your problem. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Click on Run as Administration. Type Exit and press Enter. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click your network adapter and click on Update Driver. Now your problem should be fixed.